Hello and welcome to High Desert Camping Adventures. During our last camping trip, my wife asked the question, did we buy the right layout for our Casita trailer? I thought to myself, that's a great question. In this video, we're going to go over all 5 of the 17-foot Casita Deluxe layouts available in 2025. We're not covering the 15-foot Patriot or any of the standard models, the ones without the shower or toilet. We will break down the Spirit, Independence, Heritage, Freedom, and Liberty Deluxe models. I will walk you through the benefits and disadvantages of each layout. And at the end, I'll reveal which layout we chose and why. All Deluxe Casitas come with a wet bath, a built-in toilet and shower, and one compact unit. You also get upgraded plumbing and a hot water heater. While these layouts come in both 15 and 17-foot versions, most people go with the 17-footer for the extra space. Let's take a look at the 2025 Casita Deluxe layouts one by one. The Casita Spirit Deluxe. This is Casita's most popular layout, and for good reason. For the bed configuration, you get a rear dinette that converts into a double bed. For the optional side area, you get a dinette that can be converted into a single bed. The kitchen features 2 burners on the stovetop, a sink, and a refrigerator. '25 Casita Spirit Deluxe benefits. 2 separate dinettes, leave one as a full-time bed. Sleeps up to 3 people. Great for couples who want options. Flexible day-night setup. There are a few disadvantages. If you use the rear dinette, you'll have to convert it nightly. Side bed is best for kids or shorter adults. If you like having a dedicated place to eat and sleep, this layout works well. '25 Casita Independence Deluxe. A favorite for couples who prefer separate beds. For the bed configuration, it features 2 permanent twin beds with a nightstand in between. There is also a large dinette in the rear. This layout also allows for a king-size mattress. The kitchen has 3 burners on the stovetop, a sink, and a refrigerator. You will notice that the refrigerator is always in the same location just to the left of the door when you walk in. All of the deluxe models have an optional microwave you can install above the refrigerator. Casita Independence benefits. It features a 3-burner stovetop setup. There is no bed setup required in the twin configuration. Easy access to each bed. Larger dinette seats up to 6 people. Ideal for taller adults or those who like their personal space. Tons of underbed storage. Will accommodate a king-size mattress. Independence Deluxe disadvantages. Only sleeps 2. Not ideal if you prefer sharing a bed. Using a king-size mattress means losing the dinette completely. If simplicity and comfort are your top priorities, this layout is a strong contender. '25 Casita Heritage Deluxe. The Heritage Deluxe is one of Casita's newest layouts. It sleeps up to 4 people in the deluxe version. For the bed configuration, you get a convertible full-size bed in the back that converts to a 4-person dinette. For the side configuration, you get 2 bunk beds, with the top bunk being rated for 175 pounds. The kitchen has a 2-burner stovetop, a sink, and a refrigerator. Casita Heritage Deluxe benefits. Sleeps 4 people. Family-friendly layout. Top bunk strength, 175-pound rating. Efficient use of space. Heritage Deluxe disadvantages. Options for dinette require daily conversion if sleeping 4. Bunk size constraints. Though the top bunk supports more weight, the physical dimensions may still be cramped for taller users. Best layout if you travel with a larger group. (2025) Casita Freedom Deluxe. Built for comfort lovers. For the bed configuration, you get a convertible full-size bed. For the side configuration, you get 2 captain's chairs and a small table up front. The kitchen has a 2-burner stovetop, a sink, and a refrigerator. Casita Freedom Deluxe benefits. Super comfy seating for reading, relaxing, or laptop work. The captain chairs swivel, making it easier for those with mobility issues. Rear bed sleeps 2. Casita Freedom Deluxe disadvantages. The captain's chairs take up valuable floor space, especially with our 2 big German Shepherds. Other layouts offer more storage under the traditional dinette. If you spend a lot of time inside your trailer, this layout shines for lounging. We also think it would be a good option for remote work. (2025) Casita Liberty Deluxe. This layout is all about sleeping flexibility. The bed configuration has a U-shaped dinette in the rear that converts into a double bed or 1 king-size bed. The kitchen in this layout has a 3-burner stovetop, a sink, and a refrigerator. The refrigerator is located once again to the left of the door. As with all of the layouts, you do have the option of a microwave. Casita Liberty Deluxe benefits. Features a 3-burner stovetop, full or king-size bed options, keeps a separate dinette in the full bed configuration, U-shaped dinette seats multiple people, 3 configuration options. Casita Liberty Deluxe disadvantages. The U-dinette takes longer to convert into a bed. If you opt for a king-size mattress, you will lose the dinette. If you want a giant bed and don't need the dinette, this would be a great option. So which Casita layout did we choose? With the ability to have a dedicated bed and a dedicated dinette, we chose the Spirit Deluxe. After looking at all the layouts, we realized we could probably make any of them work. So why did we pick the Spirit Deluxe? I work remotely and need a dedicated workspace, so I use the side dinette. My wife wanted an upgraded mattress that we could have in place full-time, no nightly setup. We use the trailer for short trips and remote work, so a lightweight trailer was essential. Since we have 2 large German Shepherds with us, space is always a challenge. What we like about the Spirit is it has that classic small camper feel with a bed, bath, and dinette. Is it perfect? No. But for us, it strikes the right balance of comfort, flexibility, and function. If we had to choose a different layout, I think we would choose the Casita Liberty Deluxe. We really like the idea of a king-size bed. Did we buy the right layout? We think so. But what about you? Which Casita Deluxe layout would you choose? If you already own one, would you pick the same layout again? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe. Thank you, and happy camping.